then coming towards the next ayah. هؤلاء قومنا اتخذوا. Okay, ha, and ha here is with mud. So we are going to, make it long for 4 counts, like ha-ula-i. So 2 muds here in this word, okay? Ha-ula-i qawmun attakhadhu. Then there is qaf. So we are going to make it sound heavy. Qawmu, qawmu. Qawmunat ta. This is light, right? Ta kha. And then there is kha, which is heavy. So there is, transition going on. Like qawmunat takhwadhu. Okay. So in kha, there is going to be this scratching sound, this abrasion like ta kha. Kha. Okay. This comes from the upper portion of throat, which is near to the mouth. Okay. Kha. قَوْمٌ اتَّخَذُوا, and then the is very soft. We are going to place the tip of our tongue on the tip of our upper teeth and very softly, very lightly, and that's how the comes. ذو قَوْمٌ اتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِهِ آلِهَةً. Okay, then there is min dunihi. Again, we are hiding the voice of noon here because the rule says that whenever after noon sakin, there comes letter from the 17 letters from which da is one of them. So we are going to hide the voice of noon like this. Min dunihi aliha. So I have stopped here. That is why I am replacing this gold ta, like this round ta shaped um, into ha. Okay, so this is a rule that if we stop at any word which ends with this ta, okay, we are going to convert this into ha, like ha, ha and ha. Aliha. Okay, so min dunihi 4 counts. آلهة. Okay. So آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم. Okay, again, rule that whenever afternoon sakin or tanween comes any letter from lam or ra, then we are going to do idgham, which means that we are going to join them together, like tallawla ya'tuna. Okay, so here comes Hamza, and we need to remember that whenever Hamza comes in sakin position, we are going to make a little jerk sound like ya'tuna alayhim. Okay, so alayhim starts with ayn, alayhim. Okay, so alayhim bisultan. Okay, so I have done something here, which is that I have hide the voice of meme. Okay, like alayhim. You cannot hear alayhim, alayhim. So there's a little difference. Okay, and this rule is called ikhfa e shafwi, which ikhfa means hiding and shafwi means something related to lips. Okay, so meme is pronounced with lips, so we are going to hide, do the ikhfa of meme here. Ikhfa means hiding. So how we are going to hide it, that we are not going to join our lips completely. So there are 2 ways. Okay, either we can join very very lightly, like alayhim. You can just join them, but you are not really pronouncing anything with your lips. Okay, and there isn't something nasal going on. Or you cannot join the lips altogether, and you can just make them come closer very much. Okay, just as to joining them. Okay, عليهم بسلطان. Okay, this is going to repeat in this lesson, so you need to remember this, that whenever there is meme sakin and then afterwards there is going to come ba letter, then this rule it applies, which is called ikhfa shafawi, that we are going to hide the voice of meme. عليهم بسلطان بين. Okay, then there comes sa, which has whistle sound in it, and there is air in it, like sa, air is removed from your mouth. Sulta, and then ta. Okay, bisultanim bayyin. So there is another rule which says that whenever after noon, sakin or tanween comes ba. Okay, so whenever after noon sakin or noon tanween comes ba, then we are going to apply a rule which is called iqlab, which says that you are going to convert the voice of. Okay, so whenever there is iqlab, we are going to convert the voice of noon into meme. Okay, like this: bisultanim, right? Nim, like meme, nim, sultanim. You are hearing one kasra here and one meme, because we have like replaced the voice of nim, sultanin. You know, you can hear like bisultanin, nin at the end, bisultanin. We are saying bisultanim, nim. So we are going to replace the n sound of n with M. Okay, bisultanim bayyin. Okay, so then there is bayyi, ya, bayyin. Okay, so in ya, we're not going to produce sound like j. Okay, rather we are going to say bayyi, yi sound, yi, and not j. Okay, you're not going to join the teeth together. Okay, rather you are going to do something with your tongue, the back part of your tongue, yeah, or the middle part of the tongue rather, and we are going to raise that part, bay, bayin. Okay, and then there is فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا. ف there is going to be air in it. Okay, air coming up out of your mouth. Faman aw. So this law, this law is articulated when you put the tip of your tongue onto the tip of your upper teeth, and your tongue is a bit out as well. Okay, a bit out from the above teeth. So that is how we say law. This is soft, but like you would be wondering what is the difference of this law with the of like kaziba, right? The and law. So the difference is that this letter is light and this is heavy, like the and law. The law. Okay. فمن أظلم ممن افترى. So this is that whenever there is going to come meme with tashdid or noon with tashdid on it, so we are going to do gunna, which means we are going to do like stay for a moment, and we are going to make the nasal sound like this. Mimman, mimman iftara ala Allahi kadhiba. And then noon with fa, niftara, and then the letter ra should be heavy, raw ممن افترى على الله كذبا على الله كذبا very soft, the كذبا. Okay,